Hello guys, this is MD3less. Again, I am here with a new brand video, and here in this video I am going to tell you how can you block every advertisement in any website. Even you can block the anti-ad blocker script in most of the website. What is ad blocker script? The ad blocker script is the script that tells you to disable ad blocker when you are using a ad blocker, but I am going to tell you a method. The method will even disable the ad blocker script, and even the pop-up ads and every single ads it will disable. Okay, so you need to install Firefox and then go ads on and click on browse Firefox recommended extensions, and here search uBlock Origin. The uBlock Origin link will be in the description, so click on the link and open Firefox. Then you will come and add to Firefox. Okay, click on add. Okay, it added, and now click on options and here filter list, and click on purge all caches, and now click on update now. Okay, let it be updated, and now I'm going to a website. This website is full of pop-up ads and many other apps. Okay, let me first disable this for this website, and if I disable it and click on anywhere in this website, it redirects me to a advertisement again. There are a lot of advertisement and all this are annoying, so let me turn it on and refresh it. Everything will be disabled. Now you can see there is not even a single advertisement. If I click on, can you see the pop-up ad is absolutely gone. I hope you understand this video and like this video, so subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.